Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare turmeric versus ginger, two powerful rhizomes often confused. While both are root vegetables, they offer unique benefits. Turmeric, with its bright yellow hue, is famous for curcumin. Ginger, on the other hand, is recognized by its spicy kick and contains gingerol. Understanding these core differences is key to utilizing their full potential in your diet and wellness routine. Turmeric is a powerhouse, largely due to its active compound, curcumin. This compound is celebrated for its potent anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial for managing various conditions. Many people use turmeric to support joint health and reduce discomfort after physical activity. Beyond inflammation, turmeric also acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from damage. Now, let's talk about ginger. Its signature compound, gingerol, is widely recognized for its ability to alleviate nausea, making it a popular choice for motion sickness or morning sickness. Ginger is also excellent for digestive health, helping to calm an upset stomach and support overall gut function. Like turmeric, ginger also provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, contributing to overall wellness. So, which one is better? It truly depends on your specific needs. If you're seeking strong anti-inflammatory support or powerful antioxidant benefits, turmeric might be your go-to. However, if you're dealing with nausea, digestive issues, or need a warming spice, ginger is an excellent choice. Both offer incredible health advantages, so consider incorporating both into your routine for a holistic approach. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.